Pythagorean philosophy revolves around numbers, divine nature. The Pythagoreans believed numbers governed the universe. Pythagoras, a Greek thinker, is considered the first pure mathematician. His teachings emphasized harmony between science and spirituality. The Pythagorean theorem is one of his most famous mathematical insights. In Pythagorean society, numbers were symbols holding significant meanings. The number 1 represented unity and origin, while 2 symbolized polarity. Number 3 was associated with harmony and balance. 4 symbolized justice and solidity. 5 represented marriage. 6 signified creation, while 7 represented spiritual enlightenment. Numbers were fundamental in music theory, with specific ratios creating harmony. Musical intervals were deemed sacred and governed by precise mathematical ratios. Pythagoreans believed in the transmigration of souls and reincarnation. Their rituals often involved purification and meditation practices. Numbers influenced architectural designs and celestial observations. The Pythagorean secret society adhered strictly to ethical living. Pythagorean teachings inspired future philosophers and mathematicians. The golden ratio, a number revering aesthetic beauty, aligned with their beliefs. Pythagorean numerology seeks to unlock deeper insights into life. Their legacy persists in modern mathematical and philosophical thought. Understanding Pythagorean secrets reveals insights into harmony and order. The mathematical philosophies continue to influence various domains today. Pythagorean wisdom stretches beyond numbers into spiritual enlightenment. Their impact on science and mysticism remains profound and lasting.